Greetings, everyone. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to enable or disable the Silence Unknown Callers feature on your iPhone. Let's jump right in. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the list of apps. Or use the search bar to quickly locate the phone app. Once you find it, tap on the phone app settings to proceed. In the phone settings, scroll down until you see the Silence Unknown Callers option. By default, this feature is disabled, indicated by the toggle being grayed out. To activate it, simply tap the toggle to turn it on. When Silence Unknown Callers is enabled, calls from numbers not in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, or Siri suggestions will be muted. These calls won't trigger a ring or vibration but will still appear in your recent calls log as silent notifications. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more iPhone tips and tricks.